For the thing, you know I'm big steppin'. I just joined a marching band. I play the drums, 250 rounds. Every time I'm out in public, niggas don't even come around. So where they at? My stepping ground. Try like a dyke. Busy cane, water rubber on it. Come on, the fuck your life, bitch. Like fuck your life. Middle fingers up. Only time I'm pulling pranks when a nigga crack a duck. Whack, whack, you catch a tie.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. You feel me?
I say yours.
Mukbang.
YouTube. You already know. First YouTube video. Time to get live.
What up, YouTube? I'm with, see, look, we going on a mukbang, eating crabs. They fresh too, they good.
Original. You already know. You told us.
Shut up, good, bro.
Yeah. Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
Moto Ty.
Yeah. That boy Ty. And what's your jump? That boy Ty. Yeah, that boy Ty. Capital T, capital H, capital T, capital B-O-Y. I meant I. Fix it. I. Ty.
Y'all go do that. Y'all go do that.
Yeah. Subscribe to me. You already know. Begin at this. Hopefully I can go big.
And look, my Instagram stuff, it's gonna be in the description. Instagram and Snapchat. So look, this is one of my first videos, y'all. I'm trying to like tell y'all about me, but that's gonna be in the next video.
Man, these crowds good.
Yeah, but
Weird, like we got all.
hey, look, but like, I might go to the mall sometime. Matter of fact, we're gonna do a rate thing. Some girl. So they can rate us.
Yeah.
But y'all know I look the best.
Never. Stop. Never. Don't try.
I look the best. Too sexy.
Yeah, alright. Your boy say too sexy. What are you crabs?
Good. But anyway, y'all hit me up, see what kind of videos I should do for y'all.
Oh snap. Wait, what type of phone you got?
I got an 8. We'll do an 8.
Yeah, I got regular 8 too. So I got a 6S.
Boy, time to upgrade, my guy.
Got you. This bitch juicy, bro.
Good, y'all.
God. Bro. Anyway. How many videos? Wait, you don't got no. You only got one video.
I posted one. You know, I be on dirt bikes and stuff.
I'm trying to take you serious.
But anyway, I don't want to do no my motor vlog channel. My dirt bike in the garage broke right now.
Why don't you have 2 channels?
Like, what you mean by that? Like a motor vlog channel?
Yeah, and then a regular one.
Yeah, I would think about that.
You know, mine gonna be on multiple. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have pranks. I'm gonna have my gaming. I'm gonna have all that. Whole rap.
That's good for you. Look, first of all, me, I'm gonna tell y'all a little something about me. I go to school, stay in Florida, Jacksonville. But how about me? I'm in 11th grade, finna be a senior when school start back up. My last year, man.
What you gonna do when you get out of high school?
Keep on making videos. I'm probably going to the Army.
You was the Army?
I was in ROTC for 2 years, but I stopped going.
Go back this year?
Yeah, I might go back this year. But I'm gonna cut my hair, so I might not go back.
Wait, if you go, you gotta cut your hair?
You know what?
For real?
You signed up for it?
No. Wait, even if you just in a regular program, like in you start it, you still got to cut your hair?
Not yet. Well, yeah, because like you might as well cut it, cause they gonna make you cut it anyway.
Why do you gotta cut it though?
It's their rules, regulations.
But if you don't want to cut it, you can't be on the thing.
Yeah, I ain't cutting my joint. It's over.
This guy's good, huh? Oh yeah, I heard about some snow crabs. I don't know if they better than these or not.
These are snow crabs, dude. You're talking about king crabs. You heard.
You were Korean, what, the blue ones? No, like they be like white.
Isn't the
and
blue ones snow crabs?
No.
Yeah, I thought they were
These
snow
are snow
crabs.
crabs.
What are you not?
I think these is snow crabs though.
I didn't know that. I feel dumb.
I don't know. What they think.
And yeah, what y'all think? Comment below.
Tell us what y'all think. You know what I'm saying?
But it's like weird how like, cause I be recording, it be weird. I be talking to a camera the whole time. It be so weird. Like walking around places with like you holding your camera and stuff.
Yes, bro.
That's so
And
weird.
people be looking at you.
It is
Well,
talking
you
to
talking to
yourself, but you're not really talking to yourself.
You talking to the people you love and stuff. For you too.
Oh.
Boy, it got good. How you skateboard?
But you skateboard? You skateboard?
Nah, I
Hold
used to be in that, but nah, not no more.
But Ty,
Boy.
tell us a little about yourself. Like what you do?
Me?
Oh, that's the one. You gotta start the video all over again.
Oh God. You gotta find an answer.
Hold up, y'all. No,
Hello?
What, dude? I'm making the mud bang.
The fuck? Ah, man, this your brother. That shit good on it, nigga.
Yeah.
Think I'm sucking on that crab leg. You gay. I was calling you. I was telling you that I got my game back.
Alright, bet I hit you up tonight.
Alright, send them on.
Alright.
Alright, but look, it stopped, but you can just add it to that video.
No, you
Alright,
can't.
bet. Start back up.
Stop doing that.
Y'all remember what,
Said his swimsuit and shoes? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That's Tyler, because he said he got them.
How does that happen?
My hotel. Remember?
when we was packing all this stuff up?
Mhm.
We was grabbing the shoes.
Yeah.
Cause you say
Ow.
you had got his felines,
And his what's
the
name?
Batman shoes, right?
Yeah, he said that.
Yeah. No. I'm confused. I got his feel like I was trying to find it.
Yeah. What about the Batman shoes, the swim shoes?
I ain't get them.
Yes, you did. You said it.
I know he said about the felines.
Anyway, y'all.
What we was off on?
Oh, yeah. My fault, YouTube. We back. Got a little, phone call. You know what I'm saying? Easy. Easy.
So tired. So like, what you do in the meantime? Like, what kind of sports?
I gotta play football.
You trying to go big?
Yo, good. Yeah, I'll open this.
You got a brick you want to cut it.
Huh?
Oh
What cut?
no!
Flip it over. See the cut? Okay. Yeah.
Long video.
Oh, snap. Do it taste the same?
It tastes a little different.
Alright, what you mean a little different? I'm scared.
Was that lobster?
Nah. What?
What is
Try
it? It's lobster, right?
it. Yeah, king.
A king crab?
Yeah.
Dang, yo, I got work tomorrow. I don't feel like going.
Good.
It tastes different.
Y'all know how that be. Y'all got work.
What time y'all work?
5.
In the morning?
No.
Dude, in the morning thing. Come on, dude. Put down the here.
We what?
Here.
We what?
Here. I got weight in the morning.
So Peniel, so what you do? Like, what kind of sports you do? Tell them about your life.
I play basketball. That's all I do.
See me, I used to play football.
Huh?
Huh?
What is that?
I used to play football.
Well, I ain't finna tell my mom. Oh, yeah, I play football.
But like I like the box. So I'm really finna make a lot of boxing videos.
I play football.
Oh,
Me and him going to the 9th grade.
no, we need. You know what we need to do?
What?
Public boxing. Public. We do that.
I'm up, bang.
What are y'all doing?
I'm up, bang.
Y'all fucking lame.
Love you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do
What
that.
happened to Skylar Crabs?
They up there.
No, they're not.
Well, Daddy must have moved them. Because we ain't touch them.
Oh, you gonna let them water. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, he has
These crabs good, man. I don't know what to say about them. Really good.
Man. Hold them story right here, boy. Y'all go get y'all some crabs.
Wait.
You know what I'm saying? Them things good.
wet your hair.
You know what I'm saying?
Crab busting, y'all.
Bussin'.
Listen out, now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Y'all listen out right now.
All of this, that, all that.
Now, you should content how you cussing.
What?
Content is for kids. Can't how you cussing.
What? Still eat the meat in there.
I don't like it. It tastes,
And in there.
it tastes weird.
Oh, the Danish crabs? That's how it tastes.
Mom, look, Mom. Are these snow crabs?
Yes.
Hold on. So like what? So like
The one that Tyree just gave you, that big one.
Well,
That's Danish crab. It's real thick and meaty, but it got a good taste.
What are we talking about?
I forgot.
I know you about to do something.
so like anyway, we can't make a public boxing man.
Oh, yeah. That's what you're talking about. I was trying to do that.
You know what I'm saying? I'm the most athletic out of all of us.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Boy, y'all missing out on these snow crabs, boy.
Look, I'm gonna tell y'all a little something about me.
What time you gonna say you gonna come a little something about you?
So look, if y'all know, my favorite YouTuber is Pontiac Midi DG. My second one, the top 2 is Pontiac Midi DG and Luwak. The one Luwak.
Let me give y'all my top 3. First and foremost is D Storm. You already know he came up.
Football player?
Yes, he came up from off that grind. He ain't let nobody stop his dreams. He wanted to play. He wanted to do YouTube and football. He ain't let nobody stop his dreams. He still went out there and did it. That's why he my #1 YouTuber. After him is Smooth Gino. Smooth Gino. You know what I'm saying? Go shout out to him too. You know what I'm saying? You already know.
Guys are smooth, yo. And look, y'all, my third one is King Seed.
But I got some weird YouTubers, bro.
Name him.
Jake Paul.
Jake Paul.
Look.
I was playing.
And Funny Mike, he up there too.
Oh, yeah.
Funny Mike, my
Funny
boy.
Mike.
Funny Mike.
What's up? Yeah, you already know, man. But is that good, dude?
Oh,
Hey,
when y'all play
my third is. Hold up. Let me think. Ooh, let me think. Who I came up watching Saturday Story in the Smooth. Let me think.
I mostly watch Funny Mike.
Not do too now.
Oh, Say No Limit, boy, yes sir.
Oh yeah, and BJ Groovy.
What's up? What's up? What's up? How y'all know? Don't do that.
I knew that there. I heard of him. BJ Groovy. I know who he is, yeah.
You lying.
But I don't like RJ.
That mess with all the boys.
No, cause RJ supposed to fight one of them. And he had them out there waiting, bro.
It was so long ago?
Huh?
It was so long ago?
No, it's a new video.
Where?
They're beefing again.
I ain't see that junk. I gotta watch it.
I just watched it and RJ had them waiting at the park for like an hour.
He didn't show up.
And he didn't show up. He talked all that and didn't show up.
Okay.
He said, smooth, you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Say it
I'm
one
done
more
my crowd.
time.
I'm done with my crowd, you know?
No, I'm about done. Yeah, I'll finish.
I can't keep copying smooth thing, you know? Phrase, you know what I'm saying?
Look, I'm done. You feel me? The real boss done.
That's a real boss meal right here, boy.
Big time
Hey,
moto tie.
You know what I'm saying? Look what we got. Look what we got. We got something else on the side. You know, you already know. You know. Oh, my two favorite 2K YouTubers. Duke Dennis, Lamonster. Best two. Go check them out. They big mainstream, you heard?
So I'm done. I finished all my drink, you feel me?
That little ass cup.
Yeah. You said don't cuss, but this a cussing channel or something? You said you told mama now.
That's the I. I ain't said the whole word.
I'm trying to say. But anyway, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up for y'all.
Yeah, wrap it up. Done with them crowds. That's big boy meal right there. Big boy meal. You know what I'm saying? Alright.
Alright, I see y'all.
That boy top. Yeah.